Okay, let's go to the insert menu and select worksheet, and then we want to right click on the tab for the new sheet and select delete, and it's come and gone. Now let's save where we're at and click the new button, and we'll see that with a new workbook we get 3 worksheets by default. We can check on that by going to the Tools menu, Options, and on the General page, there it is, you can see where you can set the number of sheets that come up by default. But let's cancel out of that and type some information into our new worksheet here, as set out in the manual. Now some of the information you'll be typing in is are formulas that won't appear to work, but don't worry about that. We'll correct them in a few minutes. And once we've got that information in, let's click in cell E4 and type equals sum and open brackets or open parentheses, and then click on sum in the tool tip, and that'll bring up a help window, but we can close that for now. That's just to show how the tooltips work. And click in B2 and drag to D4 to select what we want to sum, and then press the enter key, and then click on the row 3 header button, and let's click the underline button and the center button, and then we want to click in cell B11 and then click in the name box and type pi, and press the enter key, and then click in B12 and we're supposed to click in the name box before typing diameter, but I've just made a mistake there which I need to correct. Okay, let's put the number back and type diameter in the name box, and then click in B13, click in the name box and type height. I'm correcting some errors here. And then select E11 and in the name box type circumference. And in E12 we want to name that area, and the formulas should now work. And now let's click the borders drop arrow, and from the line style drop arrow we'll select the third option from the bottom, and then click the line color button and select a dark blue. And then click at the top left of cell D3 and drag down to D6. And from the line style drop arrow, let's select the 5th option from the bottom. And then click the line color button and we'll select green. And now drag down the left side of cells D10 to D15. And then we'll press the escape key to get back to a normal mouse pointer. And now right click the spreadsheets tab and select move or copy, and we want to select XLXP working from the to book drop list, and then we'll select move to end, and we'll leave create a copy unchecked and click OK. And now double click on the tab and let's change that to sheet 4 and press enter and close the borders toolbar, and then we'll go to the Windows menu, select book 2, and let's go to the file menu and close. And no, we don't want to save that, but we'll click the save button to save this one.